Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Parrot GATV. Only here to say, Mema Wakwaba, Ediba Parrot GATV. Yankoso, na Yenfia channel we, na one day, Mbahu, baby a bedu. Okay, one Yamin Shaw Bebre, was subscribe and Yamin Shaw Bebre. We should video Nuko CV and Yamin Shaw Bebre. Bidamasi Bebre, Moya dear Bebre, Parrot GATV, Edamasi answer. Yɛde nsɛm bi ɛbrɛm ɛwɔ nkunimdi bi a Mahama ɛne ne nkrɔfo bi a ɔne ɔmo yɛ adwuma bi ɔmo akonya saa victory no na weidie ɛyɛnimguase kɛse nsɛm ɛma NPP fo a ɔmo pɛde bi a nkɔmo nya nkɔyɛ ni ɛmrɛ obi so na nsɛm ne nyinaa ɛfa asɛm bi ho na nsa na mede bɛbrɛm no mɛsoro bi bia ɔba abɔmɔdeɛ na mia subscribe button so na mia bell icon notification adoma no so se ne be ya press uya no press all se ne be ya you upload video na on sa be kan na wa che wa adwin fefefe na wa hwe kosie wiye uya no share video na ma foforo so ne be ahwe na comment section no you be bi afa kotu wo ntwa adapa bia afei uya like button no tia so maye ne ensu ye ninji ewo ha John Dramani Mahama president president of this nation, former President John Dramani Mahama, NDC, Akenidi4, Nyodi NDC for him, Akono. The battle will be so clear. Essentially, we have certain people in this nation now. Omofi said the group of some group of members be said they want to take this nation by hook or crook. But he Omeshada the falsehood, Etunkrofoswo. Now you are painting nipa black, but they are the evil ones rather. They are the devil's incarnation. Our nation or my way more. Woman knew that the piano run crofo. Uche, the piano run crofo. Omanun kasa tantan time. I didn't send me a kotu. Mama so say AIRBUS scandal. Star AIRBUS scandal. Me tea a crana me wash me. Biyema shimpesa miwi akoko biyem. Saba was more girl ni mitini ni ana mi ni ajikeke. Osama mi yema shemi. Bepesa miwi akoko biyem. Ebani senti na omanya yewo mu yi asumdwe eni omanum. Party foforo ba na di oyene eni basabasa yo eni eyimshishe nkuwa ni edi nam ewo omanum. Hey. Uko USA democratic power ba fine bakono musuba na di nsem bebre minim ni ntia party bia democracy etare no no omo asumdwe bebre say party bia democracy etare wo mudin hu I don't know minim ni ntia ba sa ana Mahama o ana AIRBUS o ana Mahama o ana AIRBUS so akodi nkunuma wi semoni ewu se wakodi nkunumu wi se moni ewu bibie ni obiomo bibie ni wotom se sia no mo amodi ya ma OSP no mama stop meeting ono ani ho di ma OSP na ya press conference OSP papa nankasa CEO nankasa ba be your friend is saying your friend say press release Ediama journalist for say Mahama who song there is no any scandal, corruption level against Mahama. Ebeye about this your friend say AIRBUS no. Number 4 audio bi OSP nankasa ni press conference no. Na motie ni yesu sa nkrofo no ye besi wom hu.
Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Meadows, and Leanne Sarah Davis acted as conduits of bribery between the employees of AIRBUS and former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official. Also, the OSP found no evidentiary basis that suggests that Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middles, and Leanne Sarah Davis received payments from AIRBUS with the intention of bribing former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official. Further, the OSP found no evidentiary basis that suggests that former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official was paid bribes by Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middles, and Leanne Sarah Davis in respect of the purchase by the government of Ghana of military transport aircraft from AIRBUS. Then again, the OSP found no evidentiary basis that suggests that former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official was induced to improperly favor or did improperly favor AIRBUS in respect of the purchase by the government of Ghana.
So Martin, was the OSP no found nothing about former President John Dramani Mahama and in microphone on say a quack of AIRBUS, we want some near the bribe man. OSP no nyashi and fino, Bonnie being you. Yeah, me there, say OSP, boss nankasa. Special Prosecutor and a boss nankasa, and a year press conference, you know. Yanum we, Yanum Timodim for these wicked people. Yanum Pui, and in Guasiana de Biano Mopama, Nipa. Oba mi abaulaya, Oba, and Wabetu Mahama, the incompetent. Incompetence, you know, ni more times 100%, and a year. Watch and try, sir, and won't crop for. The Biam Pesa Mahama and Hun Cheno. Bibian Tusa, NPP 4. Edi tu Mahama Susa Chana da Pasa and AIRBUS scandal. Your boy Nami Yemoshim and the OSP were free Mahama. We're free no corruption. And in Tisesiano, Muamugui, Musumudi Mubeka Koma OSP ni free, no Musu Asha Muse, bribery, any corruption be, any scandal be Mwana. Yebehu bebri $720 billion Ghana cedis ayaku yemfanyashi. Yebehu bebri, we are going to see a lot of it. We are going to see a lot of it because mun to me fam hun koma OSP no mani hwem hu se mo scandal bi wo mu ana Mahama odini hu to ho waye no hu Yesu Kristo odini no to ho ma Ghana se yenhwe ni mu se corruption bi bata no ho ana. And answer your friends, AIRBUS, whether AIRBUS or as Tofio, as Balloon, he's been freed. Let's listen to the audio again. Let's listen to it again.
Aircraft from AIRBUS. In the case of Sarah Fellow, she should not even have been a subject of the OSP investigation. Members of the media, the OSP has cited and notes that by two separate communications, both dated 22 April 2021, the SFO in the United Kingdom notified Samuel Adam Foster and Philip Sean Middles that a decision had been taken not to prosecute them for any offense in respect of the AIRBUS Ghana deal. It has not come to the notice of the OSP that the SFO in the UK has reconsidered its decision. We consider it ties with our conclusion. Further action. The Special Prosecutor has directed the closure of the OSP investigation into alleged bribery of high-ranking Ghanaian officials by AIRBUS SC through intermediaries in respect of the sale of military transport aircraft by AIRBUS SC to the Republic of Ghana between 2009 and 2015. The OSP would not institute criminal proceedings against any person in respect of this investigation. The Special Prosecutor has also directed authorized officers of the OSP to rescind the 13 May 2020 warrants of arrest obtained from the Circuit Court Accra.
Just say, in time now, I'm with the court, so we are born in Tianga now, I'm dear Niama Bonio Muye says Sumasiano. Wicked agenda says Sumasiano, a Japadi dealer say a Sumasiano. One could report to a mother. because omonim nioma omoyi egu hono omonim nioma omoyi egu as ye friend say esumase hono OSP no nenum sam bebre mi ntumi mboni nyina na ne yemi pese miti kakani se Mahama ya clear no freely ya clear we nkropo mo pese o beba mema no bribe nya o clear o mo ni nyina yesimu ho sankrofo na moye mo so obi ehun ntonu wo krom oman we mu ayese oman ni yamudia no yesimu ho se mu wu ntu anoma fa oman no de abom bu de ko because the one day obi abewu se mu edru mu so na mu konso a ne mo luto ahye ni nyina mu ko amofentu mu amra no wicked people yadamase nyame sho bi nyame sho ye mpreda ye besa babio se metia obi na so in course of my submission na of anchemi occupational hazard. Manu fum ye basa.